Here we are, friends. Just going to leave the track, Fraser Downs. Wasn't much of a night, actually. 1-2 triactors, but didn't really help me out. System wasn't working tonight. Horses just weren't performing like they were supposed to. Don't want to make too many excuses, but we didn't win. I noticed it was raining there in the Meadowlands, so maybe that'll explain things for us. Anyway, here's a shot. It's around pushing 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock here on the west coast. And it's still nice and warm. It's a very beautiful night, actually. Just again, show you a bit of what's going on here. There I am, in the mirror there. Okay, just doing a roundabout shot here. Oh yeah, here we go. Still a few cars here. Beautiful night. Couldn't be any nicer. Just absolutely beautiful. See what's on the music here.
When your engine's running clean.
Oop.
Music from David Boyd and Kelly Rowland. I'm Emily Clark. Hi, you had a request?
Can you play Gone Feeling by BlackBerry?
Yes, we can play that for you. Right now, it's a Toronto girl. Divine Brown, Sunglasses. It's on the beat, 94.5.